Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another new craft video. Here I am using this empty glass jar, few Christmas decorative items which I brought from market, one silver glitter and few stone. First I am gonna use this silver glitter on this Christmas tree to give it snowy effect. Then I will color this stone with white acrylic color. And now I am putting this tree inside the jar, and here to stick it I am using both sides. Then I will put all the stone inside one by one as you can see and fix it with the help of a pen. Here I want to inform I will use this candle in two ways. One is without lid and one using the lid. You can make whatever easy for you. Now I am filling this jar with water. Then on top I will add some oil. Here I am using normal cooking oil. Here for light the candle I need one round shape plastic. For that here I did cut the last portion of the water bottle and using one cotton thread and set on middle portion. Now I am simply putting this on top of the oil as you can see in video, and here our candle is ready. Now let's light up the candle and enjoy the view. Let me know in the comment section if you like it. Do like and share the video. If you like my videos, then make sure to subscribe my channel. Wait. Don't go anywhere because the second person is coming. Where I am using this lid to light up the candle. First I made a hole in the lid. Then I am using white acrylic color and paint the lid. some cotton and give little round shape using our palm and stick it on the lid. For this you can use Fevicol or you can use directly when paint is still wet, like I am doing here. Now I am using a cotton thread and put in the hole. Now it's time to stick our Santa. For that I am using a both side tape to stick the Santa. And to give it a more festive looks, here I will stick some stars on the top of the cotton. For making the stars, here I did use some colorful glittery paper which you can easily buy from the market. And the lid is totally ready. See how beautiful it looks. Now let's light up the candle and enjoy your Christmas. Happy Christmas to all! Obviously in advance. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.